Hello, Geometry Geniuses. I'm Mrs. Long, and I'm going to do a question similar to question 31 on Interim Assessment 4. Now, wait till you learn this one. You're going to amaze your friends and neighbors with how much you know. This says, according to Cavallari's principle, if two solid figures have the same height, then what else must be true? So let's look at what has to be true. All right, we're talking about solid figures here, which are just three-dimensional figures. We've got prisms, and we've got a cylinder in this example. And I'm grabbing a pen here. All right, so two things have to be the same. They have to have the same height, and their bases must have the same area. All right, or another way to say that is their cross sections have to have the same area. Well, what in the world is a cross section? All right, if we cut these figures right where that pink plane is, if we just slice those guys, what we have left, those little purple shapes, are the cross section. Okay, so if we just slice that, that would be our cross section. So if the cross sections or the bases have the same area and their heights are the same, it doesn't really matter what kind of figure we have, they will have equal volumes. So all three of these figures, if B, the area of the base, equals the area of the base equals the area of the base, and the height of the figures are all the same, the height equals the height equals the height, then they will have equal volumes. So how do we say that up here in this problem? According to Cavallari's principle, if two solid figures have the same height, then they have equal volumes? No, can't be that one because there's two requirements. This only meets one of the requirements, height. They have equal surface areas. We haven't been talking about surface area at all, so that can't be it. They have equal volumes if their bases have equal areas. Well, yeah, they told us that they have the same height. So if their bases have the same area, then that has to be our answer. All right, but let's look at D just to be sure. They have equal surface area, blah, blah, blah. I don't even care what the rest of that says because we have not been talking about surface area in this problem. All right, I hope that helps. Remember, for these figures to have the same volume, they have to have the same height, and their bases have to have the same area. Good luck. Go try number 31 on your interim assessment.